We are exposed to the stresses of modern life, and as a result, we have developed several recurring health problems that cause our body to wear out. However, we can improve our body's defenses and slow down the aging process by taking advantage of the benefits of pineapple. Rich in anti-cancer properties and antioxidants, pineapple contains substances that restore skin elasticity and help in rejuvenating the cells. It does this by combating the free radicals present in the body. The benefits of pineapple aren't very well known, so take a look at the most important effects that this fruit has on our body. 1. It eliminates a cough and combats colds. One of the biggest benefits of pineapple is that it has very high amounts of vitamin C. So you have an idea, consuming pineapple gives us approximately 130% of the daily recommended allowance of vitamin C. By having so much vitamin C, pineapple strengthens the immune system and reduces mucus in the airways, eliminating phlegm and any infections. 2. It's important for bone health. Pineapple is also very rich in manganese, containing more than 70% of the amount of manganese we should ingest per day. Manganese is an essential mineral for strengthening bones. 3. It aids in digestion. Another one of the little-known benefits of pineapple is that it's abundant in fiber, which facilitates the passage of food through the intestines. Additionally, pineapple stimulates the production of gastric juices that help dissolve foods rich in protein. By improving the digestive system as a whole and being high in fiber, pineapple also significantly helps to fight against diarrhea. 4. It improves circulation. Pineapple helps to clean the arteries, having a detoxifying effect which assists in the prevention of heart disease. 5. It relieves pain. Due to its very high concentration of vitamin C, pineapple is perfect for fighting inflammations in joints and muscles, so it is crucial in combating arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of the fruit make the relief of arthritis pain one of the most sought-after pineapple benefits. 6. It stimulates the production of collagen. In addition to the high concentration of vitamin C, pineapple produces collagen, which is an essential substance in the formation of the lining of blood vessels, as well as in the formation of skin, organs, and bones. Therefore, pineapple also assists in the healing and rejuvenation of our organs. 7. It helps to prevent cancer. Pineapple helps in the prevention of breast, mouth, and throat cancer due to its antioxidant properties. Rich in bromelain, the fruit also treats autoimmune diseases and helps regulate the thyroid gland, which means that pineapple works to help balance hormones. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.